Hi beautiful beings. So I had already spoke about this earlier, but the planet's really going through some separation right now, even more than ever, and it's pretty scary. It's pretty intense. It's bringing up a lot of fear, and when that happens, when we're in fear space, we are going away from the light. We're not connecting with source as easily, because if we have worry, then we have no faith in God. Think about that for a moment. If we worry about something and we're so freaked out and have so much anxiety over something, we're not trusting the process, the organic process. And we're human. So I mean, this is not like, don't beat yourself up about it. It's just part of how we're ingrained to fight or flight. Oh, fear. This situation can harm me. This situation is creating worry and fear for me because it could do this bad thing. So because of all the separation and fear, we are drifting away from spirit, we're drifting away from light, we're drifting away from connection to source. So I want to bring through a light language transmission right now through writing format to bring in unity. And to be clear, when I bring in a light language transmission, I am connecting to source, and source will send benevolent energies through me using my hands and my vocal cords to bring in codes and vibrational medicine for the benefit of all. I don't go to anybody but source, and source will send through who source needs to. Therefore, it's vouched for because it comes from God, right from the source. So I want to make that very clear, because channeling can be this slippery slope when you don't know who you're calling through, and I don't even deal with any of that. Source. I go from source. So right now, I've written on the back of this paper already, unity. And now I have all my markers over here, and I'm going to go ahead and do a transmission for you. So sit back and enjoy. Connecting to source, allowing source to send benevolent energies through me as a channel for source for light language medicine, bringing in the theme here today of unity for the planet. Darai corona mea stai kine rukui. Baruri astai nama ikin roki bea ostursta kiane. Be kutayane hista na mutuya aborokoya e astai ikinore menoruya. Hekista ikine ti torokoya na me. Buruia nami aiki aresta, buru no iki araya na mene, vaya dari iki no toya staiste, kuya. Hesta iki stursto no mokuya te, mena sta iki starari iki staya toro. Tore neste sta iki staya roya iki. Boi ki anamai ki kaya tai. Boi ki astashta kista nemeki. Burukutoya ate na moi ki ate. Buruste aname eki kuya esta. Be ki duresta kista ete. Moi ki. Uruye nemi ki kustaiste ki katai ni ki kuruye bearea toya nana iki. Burute stashta mene ki aboya staista ki stana motu bera iki ki kayane. Eos tursta kastana moturia stai ki taya. Stamayesta kistana mukuya. Burietaya mostashta staika staikine. Pues basta kistaine mikiana kuyateana kiatai staikin durukuye. Basta stastane mikikuye staine muno. Beabayo kuya mapuruste tayane kikuya namushtasta kikuna me tuya. Pusta kasta neme kiki noyeki. Pasta stashta kasta namokuya tayane me kiki burustashta kuya ne. Baya no tuya. A lot of galactic signatures. A lot of cosmic fun. I kept feeling like I felt Florida right here. I don't know if that's a cloud or what, but Florida popped in, and lots of ascension energy I felt. Again, ascension, but a lot of it doesn't look chaotic, but it looks busy. There's you know, a lot of energy down here, a lot of flowing energy. So unity, you know, even if you're afraid to hold someone's hand, you can still connect with their heart in many ways, even with a simple prayer, simple thought, simple text message, gift. You know, just tell people you love them, that you value them, that you appreciate them. Keep this unity connection flowing through this planet, because, you know, we need that. You know, we have it within ourselves, so let's spread that joy, okay? It's not hard, you know, and when you do that, you also receive it back. So, thank you for your time, and keep spreading that love. Namaste, much love.